How to use a cardless ATM. And yes, I have listed some of the steps which you can just go through it, and it's really easy. So first is set up to use a cardless ATM. First of all, you have to set up a cardless cash withdrawal. So this is only possible in some of the banking applications. So if you have, and this is very important to have the whichever bank you're using, mobile application should be installed in your phone. Now add a beneficiary for cardless cash withdrawal, provide the beneficiaries details like number, and you can just use it after that. Now visit the cardless ATM, locate the cardless ATM owned by your bank. So if it is only, basically this is limited to certain or particular banks. Now select the cardless cash or withdrawal cash option on the ATM. Enter the beneficiary mobile number, and same way you have to verify through your ID or by your OTP. Now verify the withdrawal amount and beneficiaries. Enter your own 4-digit ATM PIN to authorize a transaction, and then you will be able to get your money or dispense a requested cash amount. Right here, I have listed some of the key benefits of cardless ATM withdrawal. You can just go through it. I hope you found this video very useful.